Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new, my name is Sandeep Singh, and I know it's been a while since I uploaded a new video, but trust me guys, from now onwards I'll try to upload as many videos as possible to help you out guys look amazing. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to style your medium length hair step by step. So are you ready? So let's jump straight into the video. So first thing first, always start with the fresh set of hair because we don't want any product buildup or any kind of oils in our hair. So as you can see, I've just shampoo and conditioned my hair. After that, I just towel dry my hair. Always remember, don't viciously rub your hair with towel because our hair are very fragile when they are wet. So always pat dry your hair with towel like this. Always pat dry your hair like this. Don't viciously rub your hair because you end up damaging your hair. So now I'm gonna use a heat protectant because it's always a good idea to use a heat protectant before you blow dry your hair. I usually prefer hair serum as a heat protectant. Why? Because I have a very dry and frizzy hair, so it takes away all the frizz and smooths out my hair. So I usually prefer hair serum over any other heat protectant. You could always use any heat protectant that you want, but I usually prefer a hair serum. So I'm gonna apply some hair serum. So now I'm gonna use this white tooth comb to part my hair in the direction I want to style. So next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a blow dryer. Yes, you heard it right, I'm gonna use a blow dryer because without a blow dryer you can never achieve the best hairstyle. So now I'm gonna use a blow dryer with a medium heat setting and full velocity of air, and I'm gonna use my fingers as a comb to blow dry my hair. And after that, when my hair are 90% almost dry, then I'm gonna use a comb or a brush. So first I'm gonna start with my fingers. So let's get started. So in the end, what I like to do, I like to blast my hair with cold air to lock my hair in place. So that's it, I'm done with the blow drying process. As you can see, I have a lot of volume and texture in my hair, but it's not gonna last all day long like this. So what I need now, I need a holding product that can hold my hair all day long like this. So I'm gonna apply some holding product. So I'm gonna apply some clay today. I'm using this much product. Always start with a small amount of product, because if you apply way too much product right away, then you can't really do anything about it. All you have to do is wash your hair and start all over again, and we don't want that. So always start with a small amount of product, and if for some reason you think you're gonna need more, then you can always apply more. So always start with a small amount of product. And here's the important tip, always emulsify your product properly, because if you don't emulsify your product properly, then it will give you clumps, and trust me, that's not a good look. So always emulsify your product properly between your hand until it's gone like this, then start applying your hair. Okay. So that's it, I'm gonna finish it with a spray. So that's it, that's how you style your medium length hair step by step. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button right here and be the part of YouTube family. So bye bye, take care, and I'll see you in the next.